Insert a total of 8 AA batteries into the battery holder. Make sure the polarity is correct. Connect the battery holder plug to the body DC jack. If using an external power source, connect the provided power adapter. Then turn on the power. Tap the CSIE application on the tablet screen. The Airway Management Simulator is an educational system that systematically evaluates and analyzes training performance to support effective learning of airway management and intubation skills in medical education settings. Tap the Help button at the top of the home screen. You will be taken to the product instruction video page. To connect the device, tap Start. Then tap the Bluetooth settings button at the top of the training screen. Open the Bluetooth settings page. When the list of available devices appears, check the product serial number. The serial number can be found on the side of the product. Each time the application starts, it automatically searches for the last connected device and attempts to connect. The Bluetooth connection status is displayed at the top of the training screen. When connected to the training model, a beep sounds and a green light turns on at the power connection port. From the settings screen, you can navigate to the guideline, evaluation items, and checklist settings pages. On the guideline settings screen, set the guidelines for ventilation training evaluation. To change a guideline, select the desired item and edit it. Changes are saved automatically. Tap the Reset button. The settings will return to the default state. On the Evaluation Items settings screen, select the items to be evaluated during airway management training. Then set the score for each item. Evaluation items can be included or excluded. Tap the Reset button. The settings will return to the default state. On the Checklist settings screen, create a checklist for key steps of the training process. The checklist will be reflected in the results. You can create, edit, or delete checklists. You can also assign a score to each item. To change the order or delete items, use the drag and drop function. Tap the Reset button. The settings will return to the default state. On the simulator settings screen, set the head tilt angle for airway opening. Then save the settings. You can also set the force threshold for the risk of tooth damage during endotracheal intubation. Then save the settings. Tap the Reset button. The settings will return to the default state. The training screen visually displays the trainee performing correct diagnosis and treatment in real time based on the given patient condition. The training process is evaluated based on the configured criteria. Scores are calculated and reflected in the results. The training process and results are automatically recorded. They are saved in the history and can be viewed in chronological order. This allows the trainee to analyze their performance. Through repeated practice, they can continuously improve their skills. Airway management training can be performed using the head tilt, chin lift, jaw thrust, and sniffing position. You can practice using various airway devices, including ETT, LMA, iGel, and Combi tube. During endotracheal intubation, you can check whether the tube is within the normal range or inserted too deeply into the right bronchus. During esophageal intubation, you can also observe abdominal distension caused by air entering the stomach. During the intubation process, the force applied to the teeth is measured to determine the risk of tooth damage. During ventilation training, tidal volume, ventilation time, ventilation rate per minute, and the number of ventilations are displayed in real time. The training results are displayed visually using line graphs and bar graphs. Users can zoom in or out on the graphs as needed for detailed viewing. Checklist items can be selected or deselected. The checked status of each item and the execution time are displayed together. The checklist results are summarized in detail in a table format for easy review. They are displayed in the training results. The trainee's treatment process and the checklist results are automatically saved. They are recorded in the history. This allows the trainee to review their performance. It provides an opportunity for further learning. Saved history can be easily viewed on the results screen. If needed, it can be exported as an Excel file. Ventilation training results are visually summarized in graph form, allowing the trainee to review their performance at a glance. The results of the evaluation items and the checklist performance are provided in a detailed table format. Scores for each item and the total score are displayed together, allowing the trainee to systematically analyze and understand their performance. All training activities are recorded in chronological order and saved in the history. This allows the trainee to review the training and identify areas for improvement. The training results are saved in folders organized by each trainee's name. Users can search or sort the desired training result folders. This allows them to easily access the results when needed. In edit mode, you can delete saved training result folders or export the results externally. You can also use the results storage information window to check the location where the training results are saved and view summary information. Users can select a training result folder to easily view training result files sorted by date. Training result files are provided in PDF and Excel formats, allowing users to open and analyze the results in their preferred format. Tap the Find Result File button. You can quickly locate the desired result based on the saved date. In edit mode, you can delete saved training result files, making it easy to remove unnecessary files. Users can export the training results as an Excel file or print them for easy sharing with others. If needed, the results can be sent to other platforms for efficient information management. This concludes the CSIE user guide. Thank you.